Hey guys, welcome back to D&M Toy Club. Today we have a brand new toy tool set. This is a tool set I just got in and I'm going to do a neat toy review. You guys have to check this out. Alright guys, so we got this brand new set of tool toys. And we're going to open this baby up. These look so exciting. We've got all kinds of wrenches, we got our seat clamps, we have a brand new drill with this adjustable handle. We even have some tape measures and even some new tools we are going to take a look at. So let's get this thing open. This thing is huge. It comes in two different, look at all these tools. You have that row of tools, and then we have another row of tools inside. Let's take a look inside. Whoa, there's another hammer. And we've got, oh, really cool. We've got a spade. I'm going to show you this one. All right. Alright guys, so we have our brand new set. This is the first of the two different sets that are together. There's the first set, and let's take a look at, here's the second one. Wow, this is actually one of the coolest ones we've gotten yet. There's a lot of different sets that we've looked at on our channel. This one, I'd have to say this one's actually really cool. This has a drill with this super hard handle. We're going to take a look at all of these different tools, and let's take a look at it. Alright, so let's put that one to the side. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take a look at this one. Of course, we're going to start with the hammer. This one is actually really realistic. This is like a wooden handle. This one here. Alright guys. So we got the hammer here, which is really realistic, because like I mentioned before, it looks like wood. It's got the two sides. Perfect. Alright, let's take a look at our next tool. This, pop it out. This is a level, and a level actually measures how straight an object is. So let's show an example. This is a piece of wood. Came with the set. Wow, that's really realistic too. You can see that has like wood grains in it. That looks exactly like a real piece of wood. This is a really cool set. I didn't realize how cool. Alright, so you take a level, and when you want to make sure that the wood that you're working with is even, and it's not sideways, you have to use a level. And the level, see that little ball go back and forth? Whenever something is leveled, that ball will be right in the middle. Right? So let's see if we can do that here. Okay, so that's a little off. So then you get it to right to the point where it sits in the middle, and it's level. So that is a level. Alright, so we have our realistic looking piece of wood. Alright, remember this is plastic, but man, does that look so realistic with wood grains. Alright, so let's take a look at one of our screws. These screws will go right in to the wood. Let's start it with our hands. Alright. And we have to finish it with, let's get our tool that we use. Alright, so now we can get our wrench. See the two different sizes on this wrench? You got one on this side and one on this side. So you start your screw in the hole, and then you want to put this right on the top and turn it, right? So remember, you got to turn it to the right, this way, and that tightens it, okay? See it coming through in the bottom? If you want to loosen it and take out the screw, you simply put it on there, and you want to go counterclockwise to the left. But this one, we want to go this way, so let's do that. So we want to turn that in and tighten it that way with our wrench. And see it coming through in the bottom? Now, what we can do two different ways. We can take our lug nut, our bolt, right? And we can either put it here on the bottom, and tighten it up. Right? You can put it on the bottom. Now that reinforces it, makes it nice and strong on the bottom. Or you can take this out. And while we take it out, take it through the other side, I'll show you can put it on the top.